Hi there, my name is Ria and I am the Carers into Work Advisor for Carers Northumberland, and today I thought I'll share with you a video of the sort of food that we make at home. So a bit of background about me is that I am Bengali, so growing up curry and rice is what we ate at home. There was not a day that curry was not in the house. So growing up, that is something that I started to learn to cook myself. And today I thought I'd share with you a recipe. It's going to be a mackerel curry. I know it doesn't sound so appealing, but hopefully if you do try this at home, you'll enjoy it. But it takes about 15 to 20 minutes to make, and I will show you all the ingredients and how to make it. I am going to apologise for the bad lighting. Hopefully that doesn't affect me showing you the ingredients and the cooking side of things. But I'm just going to show you the ingredients from what's like close to me. So to start off with, you'll need 1 small red onion, thinly chopped or sliced. You'll need 2 green chillies, stem cut off and then cut in half so that it looks like this. You'll get like 4 altogether. You need a handful of coriander chopped up. You'll need salt. You need about 1 teaspoon of salt. Oil will be the next thing. It can be sunflower oil, vegetable oil, whatever sort of oil you usually cook with. And you need about 2 tablespoons of this. And then I can get a bit lazy, I don't like cutting a lot of stuff, so I'm using crushed garlic. You need 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic. If you were to use fresh garlic, I'd say you need about 2 to 3 cloves chopped up. I always use about 2 teaspoons of tomato puree, just to give it like a bit of colour and some sauce to it. And then you'll need the mackerel yourself. So I went to B&M yesterday and I got this for 59p. It's mackerel, skinless and boneless in sunflower oil. So all you'll need to do is open this up, drain the oil out. I did one before and have like that. So in my household it's only 2 of us, so 2 tins should be fine for us. So yeah, and then the spices. So I don't know if you can see this, but I'll try and do it. The first one is chilli powder, that's 1 teaspoon. The next one is half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. This one here is 1 teaspoon of curry powder. And then the next one is 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. And the last one is 1 teaspoon of mixed powders. The mixed powder is something that we kind of make at home ourselves, and you can buy it from the shop, but all my mum does for the mixed powder is all the other 4 powders that I mentioned, she just mixes them all together, like all the bags together, and it comes out like that. So technically it's not really needed because you should be able to still get the flavour from the spices that you put in beforehand. So I've moved into the kitchen now. And right now, on low heat, I have got the oil, onions, salt, garlic and chilli in the pan, and I've given it a mix. So you can see it like that. So you just kind of mix that up so it softens up a little bit. Hopefully you can hear me, I'm not too sure if you can or not. Let that cook for a bit. I'd say about 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes, just basically till it softens up more than anything. So. This looks like it's really dangerous when my phone's placed right now, but like I said, this dish only takes about 15 minutes to make, 15 to 20 minutes. So, softened up. Next thing would be, you'll probably see it spits quite a bit. Just put the heat down. Next thing I'm going to do is put all the curry powder in. Because I've set it out already, I'm just going to pour it in. I'll show you what it looks like in a bit. And then your tomato puree. Ours isn't open, so open that up. I like how it has like the little open at the back, but you need about 2 of this. So 1, 2, and then you just give that a mix. This is what it'll like turn out once the spices are in. So you'll just need to put your mackerel in after. So just put that into the thing. And then you give that a stir. This is really hard to do with one hand, I will be completely honest. Where I place my phone is not the safest place, so if it goes on mute, sorry. But like I was saying, when I was mixing it, it was quite hard to mix with one hand, but this is how it should look like. If you couldn't see it, obviously I'll do it end result one. I like my mackerel curry to have a little bit of sauce in, so I'm just going to add a little bit of water. I don't know how many grams this is, but let's do it anyway. I'm not going to put all of it in, so can you hear that sizzling? Because obviously it's hit the pan. And you just give that a mix again, and you'll see the difference of what a little bit of water can make. That's how it's gonna look with a little bit of water in. It just looks a bit more saucier. I don't know if you can tell. And then we're gonna sprinkle some coriander in. And what I like to do, I like to mix my coriander into my food. Yeah. So after the coriander's been mixed with the mackerel, I've always got like a little bit left, and that is what I'm going to use for garnishing. Make a little bit more peeling, and there you have it. That is a mackerel curry. So that is how you make a mackerel curry. So it took about 15-20 minutes, and that's with prepping and cooking. And this is what it looks like. That is used as a thumbnail. And what I usually eat this with is with rice, so that's dinner sorted today. If you did enjoy that and you do, decide to make it, please send some pictures in. And if there's anything in particular you would like me to make or like me to show, then also please do let me know, and I will certainly consider it. But thank you, bye bye.